Stay tuned to see how I created these mini pallet drink coasters. To begin, you want to just take your brown acrylic paint, I'm using the color Nutmeg, and mix it in with just a little bit of water. You don't need a lot. A little actually goes a very long way. And you can just mix it with your paintbrush that you're going to be using. This is the consistency of what it should look like. This is creating the stain for your mini palettes. Then you'll take your little mini palettes and simply brush on your stain all over them. This is a really great way to create stain if you didn't actually go out and buy the pre-made stain. I also have the glittery blue and brown ones, but I wanted these to be a little more understated. You also want to make sure that you stain the back side of the palette and underneath, and the slats that you'll end up seeing when you're looking down at the palette from the top. While the palettes are still wet before the stain dries, I also just took a little bit of this gold flake and loosely just pulled it out of the container and let any of the little pieces kind of just drop over. Now, any of the big pieces I removed, but I kept the smaller pieces because I wanted it to just be abstract and add a little gold accent to each of the palettes. Just kind of let this fall where they may and be as freeform as you like. Then you'll go back in and clean out the gold from in between each of the slats. You want to make this look freeform but also neat. At least that's how I wanted it to look. You may want to leave the gold in between the slats, but I really wanted to showcase the individual slats of the palette. Next, you're going to add your alphabet letters, forming any words that you want on your coasters. I am using cheers and salute for mine. And then once you get your words on your coasters in the placement that you want them, you'll add a coat of Mod Podge to seal everything in. And this will also help to prevent the wood from getting really wet when you put your drinks down on them. This is what they look like with the coat of Mod Podge on them, but once they dry, here are the finished mini palette drink coasters. I really like how these came out. I love the little accent of the gold flakes. I really enjoy that the homemade stain came out so well. It's such a pretty brown to me. The only thing that I would have changed is maybe I would have gotten black emboldened alphabet stickers just to make the words stick out a little more. But other than that, I think this project came out pretty perfect. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what words you would put on your palette drink coasters. There's my little Stay Magical cup. I saw this in Ross a while back and I had to get it because it is so cute, and I like the fact that it was a black mug and not white. It's so unique. Thank you for joining me for the very first video of 2021. I am so excited to be making content for you guys this year. I have some really great ideas in store. I want to go bigger, better, and simpler, if that even makes sense. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, hit the bell for notifications, and share it with a friend. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always stay creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.